Hi everyone, this is Deb Tim and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to take you for a tour through my aquarium, and we're not going to look at the fish as a species. We're going to look at the fish as a little machine. So please stay tuned. I love watching my fish swim and eat and battle with each other, but what are we actually watching? This got me to thinking, let's delve a little deeper and discover what we're truly watching. Beginning with their fins, we admire the length, their colors, and the fluidity, but what is their function? Each fish is equipped with two types of fins: the paired fins, which are the pectoral and pelvic fins, and then there are the median fins, which are the dorsal, caudal, and anal fins. Each fin has a specific purpose, working together to propel our lovely fish through the water. The dorsal, ventral, or pelvic, and anal fins give stability while swimming. The pectoral fins provide side-to-side movement, and the caudal fin is the main source of propulsion. Their skin is made up of two layers, the epidermis and the dermis. The outer skin is made up of individual cells. These cells shed and regenerate. Dispersed between these cells are the slime cells that secrete the mucus that we know as slime coat. This slime is a protective coating. Then we have the skin itself, so colorful, attracting us to the different species, as it is responsible for their coloration. These colors change, telling us so much about our fish, how they're feeling, and their moods are defined by their coloration. The beautiful colors that we see are produced by the cells in the dermis. Their color change by the movement of the melanin contained within each cell. When the melanin are spread out, they absorb more light, causing the fish to become darker or more colorful. When they tighten or shrink, it causes the fish to lose color or fade. And finally, covering the skin are the scales that work like armor, protecting the fish from scrapes, cuts, or other fish attacks. Then we have the gills. The gills are located beneath the gill plates on each side of the fish's head. Under the plate, there are 5 slit-like openings. The tissues between these slits are called the gill arch. The actual gills themselves, which are mounted on each arch, are a delicate system of blood vessels that help the fish breathe by exchanging gases. And finally, we have the 5 senses, much like our own, although they're not quite used the same. The biggest problem with their vision is the lights penetrating the water, except for the very upper levels of the water column. Because of this, their vision is limited to only a few yards. This is not one of the primary senses they rely on for that reason. The second sense is smell. Fish have receptors on their heads called nares that are similar to nostrils but not used for breathing as we use ours. Many fish have 4 nares. As far as their hearing goes, the depth of that ability is not fully understood yet. Interestingly, the taste buds of the fish are not only found in their mouths, but on their lips, heads, fins, bodies, and barbels for those who have them. It is suspected that they taste their food long before it even enters their mouth. Fish possess a superior sense of touch as well. The final sense that they have over us is their lateral line. This line is made up of scales that are modified, containing small pores connecting nerve fibers and sensory cells. This line is easily detected running from gill plate to caudal fin. It shows up darker on some fish, more so than others. This lateral line has great import to our fish. It is a sensory organ that can detect the slightest electrical impulses in the water, similar to an echolocation system. The lateral line is a specialized organ, a warning system that alerts the fish to danger, helps calculate distance, senses obstacles that their vision fails to pick up, and helps them in avoiding predators. And that concludes our lesson on fish biology. You know, in this hobby, there is not just joy in watching our fish, but something that we can grow in and learn from. My dad always used to say, stop learning and you will die. So let's keep learning. Stay safe, everyone. So until next time, this is Deb Tim signing out. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you're being smart, staying in, being careful, staying healthy, and having a wonderful, wonderful week. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.